Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the screen on a Dell Latitude 7480. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then remove bottom base. Then unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Now unscrew and remove bracket and display cable. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now use a thin object to pry apart and remove the hinge cap. Now carefully unsnap the LCD bezel, working your way around the edges of the screen. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.